Are you interested in a turnkey project? Because I have one here for you. Welcome back, Pack. This is Sarah from WolfSteel Buildings. I have an interesting project for you. This is actually a start to finish project, and when I say start to finish, I mean that WolfSteel took on the permits, the concrete, and the building. This was all for the customer, so the customer didn't have to do anything on his end. We took on the building department, we scheduled his concrete, and we did the concrete pour, and we also scheduled the building, and we did complete the building as well too. That's also including all the inspections that needed to be scheduled. So you're probably wondering, what is this price? So the price for the turnkey is $22,619.75 plus tax. This does include delivery, material, and the install labor. So once we give you a price, that always includes everything within it. No additional fees, no nothing crazy like that. So I'm gonna break it down a little bit through building, concrete, just so you guys can know what's separate if you might not need, the concrete, you only need the building, etc. So the building price is $10,938.50 plus tax. This does not include your engineer plans. For this building, it is a 24 by 25, so it could range between $750 to $2,500, but that's if your building department does need those engineer plans. That's when we proceed with those. If you do not need them, we will not proceed with them. And then kind of giving you a little bit of background about this building. This building, we needed to get a permit for it. The permit was in River Oaks. We did have some challenges that we had to go through with the building department. That's why it's really important when you find a builder that they're going to go through all those headaches for you. There's a little bit of a headache about the concrete and also not the building, but just trying to get those inspections lined up perfectly for scheduling, kind of going back and forth, also to writing letters, getting the building permit filled out. It was a tedious process, but on our end we do have professionals that do take care of that for you. So it was a little bit of a hassle, or a little bit of, not too much of a hassle, but it was a process, that's for sure, but everything is. So we did take care of that process and we got everything approved, and we got all inspections approved as well too. So for the concrete, this is just the pricing for the concrete, $11,681.25. This pricing includes the notch edge detail on the perimeter of the building. Footings for this building, it needed a 12-inch by 12-inch footing. Your number 4 rebar and a vapor barrier. It also includes the notches where your roll-up doors will be going, if you do have roll-up doors. This also included a driveway approach, is also added into the price. Remember, this is an additional cost. It's not included once we give you the price during the quoting process. Now, if you do want to approach an extra driveway or just a little piece of concrete somewhere, we will help you out and we will price that out for you, but it might require a site visit, just depending. So just please keep that in mind when we do send you a basic quote. It does only include the concrete that's required for the structure. Thank you guys for watching this video and staying tuned. If you have any questions about the building, or maybe the dimensions, or what anything has been added in, or just wanting a quote on this type of building, give us a call. We're happy to help you out. We can even do this building in the red iron. And I know you guys are probably like, what's going on with the red iron site, the website, where is it at? We're still working on our back end. So please stay tuned. We'll still keep giving you updates. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. And I'll see you guys in the next video.